Caught this nice largie, 2.5 pounds. I thought this was like a Laker. Fought so hard. We're gonna release this buddy.
Revive. Let him kind of just get his. Yeah. What kind of pole are you using, Caleb?
I'm using a Cast King.
Bait caster
Ultra light.
with a Ned rig. What size? Are you doing the bigger Ned rig head or the lighter one?
I think I'm doing the green.
Oh, that's a small one. Okay, cool. So it's got nice live action in there. Sweet.